Welcome to my laboratory. Sit yourself right there and let me tell you a story about the man who'll make you grab your beaker, run and flee. He's the man above all men, the Lord of Chemistry. His domain stretches from amines to alcohols. Let me tell you, son, he can do it all. He is the king of the alkanes and the alkynes and the alkenes. And one more thing, that man is me.
You talk big, sir, but let me put you to the test to see if you really are better than the rest. Teach me, if you will, about some very swag reagents. Drop the beat and keep it organic, because I'm not very patient.
I pity you, kid. You'll never roll with my pack. You're in general chemistry and your rhymes are whack. So I'll tell you the secret about the swaggest chemicals I know. They're called brilliant reagents. And they're sure to make your mind more than basic. You'll feel like they'll rip the H's right off you. Why should you care? Because street chem is tight. And one day you too can synthesize like Walter White.
So you synthesize, I see, like aspirin or caffeine. I see the organic beauty, but it's time for me to get mean. Okem is very gorgeous, but your rap is pretty weak. You're not a gangster, son. Go back to the streets.
You can try and fight, but you'll find I am bulky. Trip your biceps blocking you like the Hulk. So, backside attack me, bro. Hit your fist on my brain. But you can't, Mr. Gen Chem. Too much gangsteric strain.
But he's not a rapper.